Okay, on display here we have the Acer 31.5 curved gaming monitor. This one has a branding of a WQ HD. This one clocks in at a price of $230, which isn't too bad, because let me tell you, just by looking at this monitor compared to all these other monitors here, this one has a very vibrant panel on it. It's probably the best looking monitor that they have here on display at a relatively competitive price. This gives you a look at it. It's almost bezel-less when it comes to the bezels. As you see, it's just got a little bit of a black here. There is one little subtle blue light on the bottom right corner. It's got Acer branding right here in the middle. Now the stand does move up and down. See that? I do love that it can go up and down. It will tilt a little bit. See if we can get a look at the back side of it. Shows you guys a little bit of the curve. But this is a beautiful looking gaming monitor if you guys were in the market for one. But depending on what the screen is, you can tell just how bright the color is on this compared to that one there, or even to this Samsung over here. It's a nice looking monitor here for that price. Hopefully this gives you guys a general idea of what to expect if you were in the market to buy the Acer 31.5 WQ HD curved gaming monitor.